Hey guys, it's Lori from Peace 9 Art here, and I am so glad you're here with me again today. Really appreciate you coming back. To see if I can bring those back on just a little more. Interesting. Huh. Okay, come on now. That's kind of cool. Like that. Yeah. Very happy with that. Ready? Yep. It's a little bit off center, you can tell, because it's all spinning to one end.
But it still looks cool.
Doesn't it? Stop it. Oh.
What? Keep it like that. Don't do anymore.
Yeah. Thinks it's thick there.
I
That's
like
good.
the offsetness of it, though.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Maybe spin it one more time.
Yeah. But oh, I love how that looks. I didn't spin it hard enough. But yeah, oh man.
But I like that off-center because it looks like it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah, yeah. Love this.
Maybe what you can do is take that little paint spreader that you have and spread out the white paint that's on the
Yeah,
edge.
yeah.
So it's not so thick right there.
Yeah. Or even just tilt that down. No, I don't.
No,
I don't want
don't.
to tilt it. No.
It looks like one of those Hawaiian flowers,
Yeah.
but blue.
Yeah.
You did good. That looks really good.
That does.
That looks like a flower.
It does. Oh, I love that. Look, I'm getting a little bit of cells. Thank you for the blue that you
Oh,
mixed.
you're welcome.
And the black.
Oh, this is the blue and black?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So just the two cups.
Oh, wow.
And then I mixed some white.
But yeah, I would probably use that and just scrape that
Yeah.
extra bit of white that's on the side.
Yeah. Just pull it down.
Just so it's not so thick.
Yeah.
But don't go dragging the blue with it.
Yeah. I love that it made a little outline of the blue.
Yeah. I really hope this doesn't crack.
Oh, yeah. Me too.
I still got pictures of it now.
Yeah. Did you take a photograph or just the video?
Both.
Of it like this?
Yeah, and I'm taking photographs while I'm taking videos of it.
Okay.
Because that's a thing you can do on this phone.
I did not know that.
Yeah, I'll show you when we're done.
Yeah. I think that's about all I can do.
Can I just lay it down?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, and just grab a corner and spin it around fast. Yeah, you're going to need to.
Yeah.
There you go. Grab one corner and okay.
Like that?
Yeah. Actually, it works better if you grab it just with one finger and
We'll give it a minute.
yeah. Let this little bit work and then.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah. Loving what it's doing. Yeah. So, yeah.
Ooh, I scratched it. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Doesn't matter.
There we go.
That's better. Yeah.
There we go. I'm learning.
Yeah. It takes a little doing. I've seen people manage to get their finger and actually take it around 2 or 3 times. I don't know how they do that.
Carefully.
I guess, yeah. Look at that little snaky in the middle. Wow. One more spin. Oh, there you go. That was a good one. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
I'm so happy. Look at those lines laddering there.
Yeah.
And see the spot where you hit, I don't even know where it was that you scraped your finger across. It's
There.
gone. It's gone. It
Barely there.
yeah, if you didn't point it out to me, I wouldn't notice it. Look at that though. Look at that. Mm-hmm.